Hi everybody, my name is Esther Lepage and today I will explain to you how Chocolat Favori succeeds so well. But first, let's start with a little presentation of the company. As you probably know, Chocolat Favori offers ice cream dipped in real chocolate. In each chocolate factory, the consumer can choose between 12 different kinds of dipping for their ice cream. Also, they offer vanilla, orange, strawberry, and chocolate ice cream. The consumer can also buy fondue and or chocolate. Chocolat Favori started in 1979 in a little factory where they were making craft chocolate. In 1996, they launched a new product, the ice cream dipped in real chocolate. They decided to open a new store in Lévis to sell their new product. In 2006, because of the popularity of the company and the product, they decided to open a second store at Charlebourg in Quebec City. Today, there are 16 factories all around Quebec. The head office is in Quebec City. One of the reasons why Chocolat Favori succeeds so well is because of the marketing. In fact, the marketing team always finds new ways to improve the product and the image of the company. First, in the past few years, Chocolat Favori took a lot of expansion by opening a lot of new chocolate shops. Before 2011, there was only shops in Lévis, Cap-Rouge, and Charlebourg. But since 2013, they opened 13 new shops all around the Quebec. The demand increased a lot, so they need to open new factories to respond to the demand. They also plan to open other chocolate shops in Ontario and one at Victoria in British Columbia. The marketing team also improved and developed the product and the image of the company. They decided to sell little cans of fondue in a lot of IGA. Also, they decided to improve the variety of dipping. In fact, before, the consumer had only one choice of dipping for his ice cream. Now, the customer can decide to dip his ice cream in 12 different kinds of dipping. In conclusion, Chocolat Favori succeeds so well because of the marketing they do about the company and the product. I hope you enjoy my video and learn a little bit more about this company. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.